Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix Microsoft Store is missing, not showing or not installed in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the Start menu and type WIS-reset and right click in this option and select Run as Administrator. And wait a moment. When the process is ending, your store automatically opens it up and you can show this or your problem has been fixed. You can try install any other application, and this is all. You can try run a game or app, and this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.